What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Don Frond here. I want to talk to you today about a trade recap and kind of broke down why I bought Amazon, specifically what contract I bought, why I bought it, what I was looking at. And to kick it off, we're going to start right here with the Qs. So looking at this, I broke these down in a previous video, talking about the expected moves for the market. Now, when we get outside of this, again, this is my number. I made up in my head, about an 80% chance we rein it back in. We bring it back. These are not support and resistance lines, but we get a little carried away. We come back, and what we saw today was tech, came down, shot down. If you look at the hourly, you can see it a little bit better. Shot down, definitely lost that momentum, stalled. And then we did see it start to turn around. So once I saw that, I thought, okay, maybe we're going to rein this back in. What kind of tech plays do I like? What was actually posted in my mentorship group was Amazon. Someone asked, said, "Hey, are you buying Amazon?" Hang on, I'm gonna delete these and get them out of the way. And what we had just seen right here was a break of this trend. So intraday and on an older chart, this is actually a zone that it fell right into. But right now, I really wanted to pay attention. The reason why that zone's there now, why I'm not changing it. Really wanted to focus on this right here, but we saw the trend change. I'm thinking, okay, it's time to reverse. It was 33.52. So what I like to do is I like to grab at the money. So I grabbed a 33.50. This was actually intended to be a day trade. Didn't work out. Well, I got distracted. I did swing it, so I do hope it gaps up. But what I ended up paying for was I grabbed the 33.50s for next week, the 23rd, and I paid about $5,900 for it. And right now they're at 79, which is cool. So it's fun, right? I'm up 2,000 on it. Would have been great for a day trade. Where I messed up was I swung this. Typically, when I'm swinging, I will give it a little bit more time, and it won't look like this. Just a straight downtrend. But I talked about the position I'm in, and it looks like some people in my group are also swinging this overnight with me. So hopefully we're right. Hopefully we're about to lock in a big win. Tomorrow we do have Powell speaking. Everybody thinks I think what we're pricing in right now a lot. There's a lot of fear going on. And I told you guys in that last video, maybe it was on the Don Frond show, but I told you guys if we break this zone, it's not looking good. And it definitely didn't. Overnight, we woke up this morning, boom, down. So just straight down day. No surprise there. Right now, bull flag or reversal. Come morning time, we're going to be up here. And I would worry about that zone for now. But everybody thinks he's going to talk about rate hikes or tapering faster. I actually think he's going to come out and say just tapering. We're going to continue with tapering. Once tapering is completely done, then at that point, we will talk about a rate hike. And if he does, I think that'll be a pretty bullish sign. I think markets will rally off of that. If I'm wrong, and he comes out and announces a rate hike, I'm telling you guys, almost any put would do. The market will probably have a very bearish reaction to that. We'll find out right now that the people selling right now, we're just trying to avoid that volatility. And you'll know just why if he does come out and announce a rate hike. I personally, I'm on the side that he's actually going to come out and say, things are fine, we're just going to taper. Like he usually does. Well, we got the tools in our belt to do this or that. I got the printer if need be. That'll ease some fear or uncertainty, and we do get a rally off of that. So that's the bullish fence that I'm on right now. Also, I'm pretty biased that because I'm up in my Amazon contract, and I want it to gap up. At that point, tomorrow, because it was a day trade, I'm going to close that probably at open if it's up. So it could be a gap and go kind of day, but I'll probably close that first thing in the morning. It says Powell speaks 1 p.m. my time. And I'm willing to bet we do a whole lot of nothing. There's going to be that first move in the first 30 minutes. We'll probably go sideways, flat, almost nothing. And then the whole Powell situation is going to happen. And there'll probably be a spike one direction before we head the other direction. Could just be crazy. Hard to say. So as far as that goes, I want to be out. I'll let the volatility, let theta do its thing, whatever, as long as I'm not in it. And I'll probably make some plays after. So just wanted to do a quick update on what I saw. It wasn't a traditional zone play of something I do, but we were outside the expected move, looking for things to get reined back in. I'm on the bullish side, so a few things did line up to catch the knife. The mistake being I got busy and did not close that position. So fingers crossed it's a good one, or I just turned a perfectly good trade into crap. Definitely not fun. Anyway, if you like these trade recap videos, hit the thumbs up. comment down below. Let me know what you liked, what you want to see in the future. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Definitely trying to get this channel up and rolling. So if you do want to share it on the Twitter or the Facebook, I would greatly appreciate that. I'll see you guys in the next video.